Welcome back to day 3 of our HTML learning adventure. Today, we're going to discuss 2 important topics in HTML. First, text formatting, how to style text like bold, italic, underline. Second, headings and paragraphs, how to structure content properly. Before we dive into today's topics, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest lessons. Let's dive in. Coming to first point. In this section, we will learn how to style text using bold, italic, and underline, just like how newspapers highlight important text to grab your attention. Bold text make it stand out. Use bold text to highlight important words. Strong tag adds importance to the text, which helps to search engines recognize this as important. B tag simply makes the text bold, but without extra meaning. Italic text adds some style. Use italic text to emphasize words lightly or make text stylish. M tag adds importance to the text. I just makes the text slanted, without extra meaning. Underline text get extra attention. Use underline to draw attention to important text. U tag underlines the text. Coming to second point, headings and paragraphs in HTML. In this section, we will learn how to structure text using headings and paragraphs, similar to how textbooks organize content into chapters and subheadings. Headings organize content properly. Headings help in dividing sections in an HTML document. H1 tag is the biggest and most important heading. H6 tag is the smallest heading and less important. Paragraphs for regular text. A paragraph helps keep text structured and readable. P tag defines a paragraph. Break line uses to move to a new line. Need to add a line break instead of a new paragraph. Use BR tag. Horizontal line separates sections. Want to divide different topics? Use HR tag to add a horizontal line. Topics covered in this video. Bold text strong, and B tag makes important words stand out. Italic text M and I tag adds a stylish or special emphasis to words. Underline text U tag helps highlight key points. Headings H1 to H6 organizes content with titles and subtitles. Paragraphs P tag helps structure text neatly. Line break BR tag moves text to a new line. Horizontal line HR tag creates a break between sections. That's it for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Try out these tags in your HTML projects and start practicing. Need the code for this lesson? It's available on our Telegram channel. You'll find the HTML code for this class there. Check the Telegram channel link in the description. Have any questions? Drop your doubts in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Found this video helpful? Give it a like. Want more HTML lessons? Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.